Hi everyone, in today's video I will tell you what is a plugin in Claude Cowork. So, as I said, in this video I will tell you what is a plugin in Claude Cowork. This is, I would say, the introduction video to plugins. It will be more theoretical. In other videos I will show you how to install plugins, how to use them, so they will be, I think, more interesting. So if you are interested in that, you can stay on the channel. But in today's video, this video will be very short. I will tell you the difference between skill that we were testing and were executing in the past videos and the plugin that I will show you today. So what is a skill? As you probably know, skill is I would say a single file. Skill is doing one job. So for example, you can have a skill to generate a status report, to extract action items, to write a brief, and one skill MD is one behavior. In terms of plugins, plugin is a bundle. Plugin is a bundle of multiple related skills packaged together under one name, and you can install the plugin once and you will get all the skills inside it, and they will be instantly activated and you will be able to use them. So this is why it is very comfortable. Now, how to find skills in Claude Cowork? You have to go into Cowork section, of course, and here you have customized not skills but plugins. I think I said skills, but I mean plugins. So in order to find skills, you have this section that I showed you in the past videos. In order to find plugins, you have the button right here, which is browse plugins, and you can click on that and you have some plugins right there. I talked about the official Anthropic plugins in the past video, but if you are interested, you can see them. In the future videos I will of course install some of them and show you how to use them. For example, maybe we will install this engineering one. I will show you how you can do the code review with it. So I think it will be pretty interesting. But for now, that's only this video. This is basically what is a plugin. Skill is one thing that you can do for one job. Plugin is a bundle, multiple related skills packaged together under one name. And if you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.